Every day, hundreds of new online businesses become operational. While statistically speaking, the majority of these businesses are doomed to fail, some will develop and go on to achieve great success. Evidently, everyone who learns how to launch an online business aspires to join that exclusive group of success tales. How to launch an online business that will succeed against all odds is the question. 3 steps to launch an online business. The following are the steps to launch a successful online business. 1. Becoming the master of 1 trade. The majority of profitable online businesses are experts in their field. And for this reason, starting with a specific niche is always a wise move. A narrow area of a larger market is referred to as a niche market. Imagine a store selling men's shoes, and then picture a pair of custom-made brown Italian leather shoes for men. The first is a larger market, whereas the second is just a more narrowly focused area of the first. The following self-questions will serve as an excellent guide if you are feeling a little lost when starting an online business, because they will help you identify your niche. What moves your heart? The first method of finding a niche is ideal for people who want to pursue their passions. Working in a field you enjoy will keep you motivated to succeed and give you constant excitement, which will ultimately lead to ultimate prosperity. Based on knowledge decisions. The second approach is ideal for people who have a wealth of untapped industry knowledge. Finding a niche can be accomplished by making use of the knowledge of a particular industry. By doing this, you'll be familiar with the entire industry and be able to easily outsmart your rivals. Undiscovered potential. Lastly, one more fantastic method of discovering the ideal niche is to conduct research into various industries and locate an untapped market. You will need to develop a fresh, original solution for uncatered audiences as a result of this practice. 2. When is your idea valid? Every wonderful concept for launching an online business must be true. The process of validating your niche then starts after you've found it. The idea's soundness can easily be demonstrated. All you initially need to grasp the value of the idea and recalibrate it to become a successful online business is a thorough industry analysis. A methodical analysis of the target market is market research. The target market, the product or service you are about to sell, and the competitors' strategies in this crowded market will all be covered in this research. You'll get a general idea of how the products might affect the outside world from this in-depth research. It will then be time to move forward, create a plan, and begin the process of establishing the business after the small online business ideas have been verified. 3. Crafting the map to success. The equivalent of having a map when visiting a new city is having a good plan for your online business. This is a document that contains all the pertinent financial data and factual information about the company. Here is a list of all the details that online business plans must contain to assist you. An idea of objective. The best online business plans always have a clear outline of the business goals and intentions. Having this clear outline will increase the efficiency of business functions later on. The target demographic, business model, all kinds of information needs to be a part of this document. Taking stock of available resources. A startup needs to utilize all the resources it has, and that's why the plan needs to have an in-depth outline of the financial resources in use as well as the employees and their expertise. With a better idea of all the resources in hand, starting an online business will be an easier process. For those who have decided to create their own site, the design is of paramount importance. With a great design, you will be able to engage and interact with the visitors better and encourage them to make a purchase. Determination and hard work, of course, are the coal that fuels the engine, but that engine will have trouble staying on the tracks if the right tools aren't used to keep it moving. 10 effective tools for starting an online business. There are many tools available that can improve the performance of your online business and save you time. Fortunately, many of them provide a selection of reasonably priced plans for new business owners. The objective is to find the best tools for the job that won't cost your online business money before it even gets off the ground. 1. Live Plan for business planning. The first step in beginning your career as an online entrepreneur is to have a solid idea for an online business. Second is creating a strong business plan for that game-changing concept. There are many excellent tools available that can assist you in creating a business plan and outlining the strategy for developing your concept into a successful venture. For example, Live Plan starts at $11.66 per month and walks users through each step of the business planning process and has over 500 different business templates to ensure that users find the perfect one for their business venture. 2. SiteGround or InMotion for web hosting. Establishing a website will be one of the first steps in starting an online business. Free web hosting is available, but it's frequently of lower quality, and you'll probably find that even a few dollars a month can make a big difference. The needs of your company should be taken into consideration when choosing a web host. For a small business, a shared hosting plan like SiteGround is probably your best bet. You'll be sharing a server with other websites, but it's affordable at often less than $12 a month and is easy to use. If you're expecting a huge amount of traffic, a dedicated hosting site such as InMotion may be a better choice. This type of web hosting will be more expensive, but it is highly secured and won't get bogged down easily by a lot of visitors. 3. WordPress or Squarespace for content management. After setting up your web hosting, it's time to pick a content management system to create and manage your online presence. Undoubtedly, WordPress is the most well-known, and for good reason. It has a wide range of free resources, tools, and plugins that can be used as your business develops and is incredibly customizable. Squarespace is another popular website content management platform that many newbies will probably find a little easier to use than WordPress. No coding required. Both products have several levels of pricing, with Squarespace starting at $12 a month and WordPress at $8 per month. Really, you can't go wrong with either one. 4. Weave, MailChimp or MailMunch for customer communication. There are a lot more ways than there were even 15 years ago to communicate with your customers. The online businesses that are best at communicating with customers will succeed. Weave is a fantastic tool that enables you to automate your customer communication with texting, appointment scheduling, and payment reminders. Online businesses require communication to be both streamlined and natural. For email, MailChimp and MailMunch are two wonderful and affordable online business tools for growing and maintaining your email list. Both have customizable features, such as allowing for custom landing pages and automatic syncing of email and newsletter campaigns. 5. Hootsuite or Zoho Social for social media management. Yes, social media management is customer communication, but it's really its own animal, too. We all know about Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. But how about tools that utilize those social media platforms in the easiest way possible? One of the most popular tools for businesses in regards to social media management is Hootsuite. From scheduling online posts to tracking the customer engagement of those posts, the tool is well worth the $29 a month subscription fee. An even cheaper option that has good reviews for being easy to use with similar functions is Zoho Social, which starts at just $10 a month. 6. Upwork for outsourcing tasks. There will be aspects of your online business that you simply can't devote the necessary time to or aren't quite qualified to manage due to your busy schedule. Initially, it might not be possible to hire a full-time employee to handle those tasks. Whether the task involves software development, logo design, copywriting, or SEO strategy, you can probably find a qualified freelancer to take on the project on Upwork. The platform has qualified candidates worldwide and guides business owners through the hiring of freelancers and job payment processes. 7. Trello or CoSchedule for project management. Regardless of the size of your online business, keeping projects on track and proper calendar management is going to be key. Two valuable online tools in this category are Trello and CoSchedule. Both products utilize a sort of bulletin board format with lists and cards for projects that make for easy team collaboration and communication. Trello is the cheaper of the two at $10 a month, but CoSchedule may offer quicker troubleshooting should any issues pop up. 8. Shopify or Stripe for shopping cart software. You'll need a method of accepting payments from customers if you plan to sell any goods or services through your online business. Making things as simple as possible for your customers in this area of your online business will literally pay off. The second customers run into a glitch while trying to make a payment, you can expect a loss of sale. If your online business is going to be something in the retail sector, you really can't go wrong with Shopify. At just $29 a month, It will provide tools to cover everything from social media management to website design, and, of course, payment processing. Other sorts of online businesses may want to look into Stripe. It has a strong reputation for making payment processing easy and secure, and with a flat rate of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, and it doesn't saddle business owners or their customers with a bunch of hidden fees. 9. Shipping easy or aftership for product shipping. While e-commerce isn't something that's going to apply to all online businesses, for those that do fall under this category, a smooth delivery of the product is crucial. 2 tools that online business entrepreneurs should consider using are Shipping Easy and Aftership. Both services help business owners find the best shipping rates, manage inventory fulfillment deadlines, as well as provide customer reassurance like automated tracking and SMS notifications about order updates. Even better, for businesses with fewer than 50 shipments a month, both tools are free. 10. FreshBooks for bookkeeping. Your online business is up and running like clockwork, and it's starting to make some real money. Now time for the fun part, bookkeeping. Accounting might not be as exciting as launching an inventive email campaign, but it's still essential if you want to stay in business. FreshBooks is an all-in-one online business accounting tool that will handle everything from payment acceptance to invoices and expense reports. With plans as low as $6 a month, it's one of the most affordable bookkeeping tools on the market when first starting an online business. Not all of these tools will be applicable to your online business because every business is different in some way. You'll probably discover that the tools required to complete the job will change as your business expands. However, the aforementioned subcategories and associated tools are a great place to start when starting an online business.